Ready, start. In this case, we find absolutely no motive for accused one to cause the death of the deceased. Stop. According to the prosecution, accused one's younger brother was having illicit intimacy with accused two with the connivance of accused one, and the deceased was objecting to the same. Stop. In such a situation, it is rather opposed to human nature to suggest that accused one would think of causing the death of the deceased. Stop. According to the witnesses, particularly PW2, the deceased was found under a mattress and accused number 1 was pressing the same on her, and in the process he also got burns. Stop. The High Court has rightly observed that the culprits who had decided to put an end to the life of the deceased would never go to the extent of extinguishing the fire after throwing a mattress on her, and in this view, according to the High Court, the prosecution has not proved beyond reasonable doubt that this was a case of homicide and not suicide. Stop. In this context, it is also pertinent to note that in the earlier stages, the deceased did not implicate the accused. Stop. Even when the doctor PW10 asked her, she did not give any reply, and it is only at a later stage she came out with this story. Stop. According to the prosecution case, the occurrence took place in the bathroom, and the deceased stated in exhibit P58 that she was filling the water tank in the bathroom and that accused one came and poured kerosene. Stop. But Panchnama of the scene of occurrence does not make any mention about kerosene in the bathroom, but kerosene was found outside the bathroom. Stop. The clothes of accused 2 who was holding the deceased when accused 1 poured kerosene did not show any smell of kerosene. Stop. Therefore, it becomes doubtful whether accused 2 held the deceased in the manner alleged. Stop. The High Court has adverted to number of these details and doubted the prosecution case. Stop. The High Court has rightly held that these features would not lend any corroboration to the dying declaration, but, on the other hand, cause of suspicion. Stop. There is no other corroboration coming forth. Stop. The conduct of the accused in throwing the mattress over the burning women is an important circumstance which creates a doubt about the prosecution version. Stop. Having regard to these circumstances, the High Court has given the benefit of doubt to the accused. Stop. We have also gone through the details of the dying declaration recorded by the police officer. Stop. We are unable to persuade ourselves to disagree with the findings of the High Court, particularly when this is an appeal against acquittal. Stop. We do not find any strong ground as laid down by this court in some of the cases cited above which warrants interference. Stop. This appeal is accordingly dismissed. Stop. Para. Accepting the alleged statements of the deceased and the statement of the accused in the court, there is no direct evidence relating to the occurrence, though it happened on a public road in a busy locality.